you can create your own image, own object using PowerPoint. Then see this picture, you can draw with the help of PowerPoint. Now how to do? Now I create a new slide here and I insert an object here, a shape. Okay, for example. Okay, then you can control the edge level also. Okay, then double click and go to edit shape and edit point. Okay, then before doing this, go to view and then choose grid lines. Okay, this then now I put this image from this area, from this area. Okay, now okay, double click and edit shape and edit point and add some point here. For example, I add a point here. Okay, and also I add a point here. Okay, and I add a point here also. 1 minute. Okay, now just see this carefully. Just click and drag. Okay, and also you can drag anywhere. Okay, then go to insert and insert a round object. Okay, then I 1 minute 1 minute. Okay, then and also control D for duplicating. Okay, and click on these two image, this and this, and also this object. Okay, then go to merge shape and here combine in fragment. Okay, then just okay, this area no need. That's all. Likewise, you can draw any object using PowerPoint. It is very user friendly software for drawing, creating some more objects. Okay, then and also you can give some effects also. Double click on this object and you can change the color also, and right click and also you can give some 3D effects also. For example, I choose this. Okay, I guess you can do lot of things using PowerPoint. Okay, and background removal. How to remove background using software? You can no need to use Adobe Photoshop or and other things. Okay,